At DeSoto Trail Elementary School, we use the latest technology to support instruction. One major shift in software has been the increased focus on data. We can run reports about student progress and achievement on the Florida standards and other fundamental skills. Data reports help us to make informed decisions such as interventions and instructional strategies that are needed for individual students. As the principal, I meet with my teachers to conduct data chats to review their students' progress and make changes in instruction as needed. Technology helps support the teacher-led instruction that is happening in the classroom. Teachers use resources available online through the adopted curriculum and other sources to enhance their lesson plans. Teachers also plan for student use of technology resources to practice skills based on each student's individualized needs. Teachers have always utilized data to identify and respond to student learning needs, but technology makes that process more efficient and timely.
A couple of years ago, I had a student in my class who was homebound, so she couldn't be in the classroom with us. Her parents were very concerned that she was missing out on so much because she couldn't physically be here. So Mr. Schubert came up with a solution to this problem. He got us a classroom microphone and he set my teacher computer up so that we could Skype with her. So that every day at 9 o'clock when it was time to do reading, we went live. And she could hear all the lessons that I had planned. She could see the Promethean board and all the activities that we were doing. She could also participate. She could answer questions. She could participate in class discussions. She could partner read with others. And it was very effective. She learned a lot and all the children enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. And it was neat to see how technology can really take teaching beyond the four walls of the classroom.
Virtual experiments allow the kids to explore their world without leaving the classroom. They can collect information and data that they will use in the classroom discussions and expand their knowledge. For example, we explored a recycling plant in Ohio that allowed the kids to virtually be inside the plant and see the recycling process from start and to finish.
First grade children just love to be engaged in learning, and we've used the iPads here in first grade in our literacy centers for research, for animals within the science unit. The children are actively involved with the iPads in their listening center where they use QR codes. In their iPad center, they go to the Wonders, which is our reading series, and they go and practice their skills. And in the theme center, they look up information about animals or go to a brain pop on the iPad and then show what they know in a written response.
For heat and light. Some people call the rocks into special designs for animal features.
It has been revolutionary, like the usage of technology. We are able to connect more, find answers quicker, learn faster, and even learn more. And I think it's a good thing that it's more innovative and available to everyone.
My vision as a principal is for all students to feel a level of comfort when using technology. I also want our students to have the curiosity to not only learn about existing and new technologies, but to stay informed of future developments of technology and how they can apply them at school and in their future professions.
As the cost of technology has decreased, we have been lucky enough to raise enough funds and purchase equipment to use for the art room for the students. We use our iPads, we've got a smart board, as well as you can see, the various computers in the background. As technology has developed all along with art, we've been able to kind of try to keep up with the technology and art. And our students are lucky enough to be able to practice their skills on technology platforms, which is a little bit quicker and easier for them, more engaging for them, I guess. as well as a lot of the different products that we create in the art classroom now are both hand-drawn as well as digital. Last year we created a lot of hand-drawn self-portraits the students did, took a photo and uploaded them to the Word app photo, and they were able to put in 6 characteristics that describe themselves, and then they had their more professional digital product as well as their hand-drawn self-portrait. It's also helped with group work. The students can be engaged a little bit more with technology in groups, and that has really been great. We're working on a lot of STEAM Expo type projects this year, and one is a Foldify iPad app where the students created an actual 2-dimensional character that they then printed out in color. We even have a color printer here that we have access to, and created a 3D character from that. They worked together in groups and created settings and wrote stories. So it's been a great learning experience. It's continuing with our STEAM projects coming through this year. And one last thing, we'll be working with the architects, and students will be learning to create floor plans and then 3D models. So it's been a really great addition to the art classroom.
Because of websites like Code Academy, I learned JavaScript and CSS. I've also used technology to learn more about colleges, and I did college research, and I got to know more about which college is right for me, the different stats for everything, and it's been really helpful.